overall setup. What is up, guys? This is Topi, and sorry for sounding a little weird. There's people outside, and I don't want to seem like a weirdo in here talking to myself, so I don't want to talk too loud. And sorry if I look all sweaty and nasty and stuff. I just not got off of wrestling practice, but today I came home to some packages. I started opening this one out of excitement. We're gonna do the other one first, though. So this one I already opened, but this is like a Thrasher buttoned-up jacket. I'm gonna try to find the logo here. There it is. Thrasher magazine. Back it says Skate and Destroy. I don't know how I can see it, but yeah, this is just a cool, like a button-up bomber jacket, windbreaker type thing. I just thought that would look cool, and like edits just like flown around, especially with the Boostnet Vogue 2s. But we're gonna open up the other package now. I'm gonna after this. I've been waiting for it. As you can see here, Aero Skate Co. Don't know how to spare my George Poulos. So yeah, I already started opening it, but I've never finished. Aero Skate Co sticker, which these are so sick, dude. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. And here we have a note from George Poulos. It says, "Thank you, Zachary," but thanks, Zachary, with an exclamation point. He's such a humble guy. Here's our shirt. Aero Skate, 1 cent. Oh yeah, that's sick. Aero Skate Co on the front. Aero Skate Co on the back with the gumball machine. This is a Spring 19 shirt. It's just super sick. I'll leave Aero Skate Co's website and Instagram in the description, as well as my Instagram for my main account and photography account and skate account. That Thrasher jacket, I got it from Postmark for like 20 bucks. So I'll put my Postmark referral in the description, along with everything else. And that'll be it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on Topi Island, and do not forget to stay awesome. Peace.